It's 4:30, and an armored brigade has a strict 48-hour window to prepare for a rapid combat deployment. Mechanics move through the motor pool with tablets as fuel trucks fill tanks and heavy logistics equipment begins loading for transport. Mechanics open the logistics software to finalize readiness, and a sudden cascade of red alerts instantly freezes the deployment. The tanks are fully functional, with primed engines and intact treads. The hardware is flawless, but the database says they are broken. This architecture is GCSS Army, the Global Combat Support System. It functions as the central circulatory system and logistical brain for the military. The system tracks every individual serialized part, every maintenance action, and every fuel supply line moving across the entire global theater. This system alone dictates whether a brigade is allowed to move, engage in combat, or even start its engines.
Within the Army's command structure, the status recorded in the database acts as the governing record for total mission readiness. To understand why the brigade stopped, we have to examine the internal logic of the enterprise system. Every physical vehicle in the motor pool has a corresponding digital twin living within the database. These twins anchor hardware using static schema fields. Every component maps to unique serial numbers. Attached are dynamic variables changing in real time, like fault codes and readiness flags. These rows are continuously updated by data streams ingesting diagnostic codes, receipts, and fuel logs. The mathematical integrity of these specific data rows is the mechanism that authorizes a multi-million-dollar tank for combat. At 04:17, 13 minutes before the deployment alert, a routine automated data update arrived from a national depot. Inside that update was a single corrupted record containing one mismapped part number. The update applied a critical failure flag to a standard, non-critical mechanical part across the entire system. Because the data format was valid, the database accepted the corrupted mapping without triggering any security or logic alerts. The system instantaneously replicates this mapping error across every dependent table in the entire global supply chain network. Every vehicle in the entire Army containing that specific physical part was instantly flagged as non-mission capable. Maintenance chains severed, work orders reopened automatically, and readiness dashboards plummeted. A mapping error in a remote server rack successfully neutralized a heavily armed brigade before an enemy ever fired a shot. In the command center, officers watched the brigade's readiness drop from 92% to 14% in under 3 minutes. Commanders argued to continue the deployment based on the hardware in the yard, but the system's mandate is legally binding. Technicians eventually located the corrupted depot record and executed a targeted database rollback. As the tables reverted to their previous state, readiness flags flipped back to green, and the deployment was reauthorized. Technicians restored the brigade to operational status by identifying the error and rolling back the corrupted data. Every level of modern military operation shares this total dependency on digital supply chain integrity. Mission-critical enterprise systems fail when their data becomes corrupted. A database error achieves the same result as a mechanical failure. It takes just a single corrupted string of text to successfully halt an entire war before it even begins. A tank can survive the battlefield, but only if its database survives the night.